So thanks for the kind introduction. So good afternoon, everyone. Good morning for some other ones. I'm Pauline Hibon. I'm working for Quad Industries as an R&D and technology engineer. Quad Industries is a printed electronics solution provider whose headquarters are located here in Belgium. We have a production capacity for roll-to-roll printing in Belgium and a production site for sheet-to-sheet screen printing in Slovakia. And these two sites represent about 80 persons. Quad Industries is active on various markets, such as home appliances, industry, automotive, and the market that we are going to talk about today is the medical market. So in the next minutes, we're going to dive into the wearable skin patches as a key enabler for digital health. So smart patches have specific and various requirements. As a medical product, the functionality of the product is the main criteria, which means that the product must have a very high signal quality. Depending on the signal measured, the choice of electrode is critical in order to match the signal intensity. Also, the user comfort must be taken into account. Quad is offering a custom-made design in order to give non-invasive solution using stretchable and breathable materials. Stretchable electronics using stretchable inks are here to enable a high reliability of the measurement. So the duration actually of the monitoring that is produced by the product is linked to the comfort of the user, as he must be at ease during the multiple days of the measurement. Therefore, the selection of the skin adhesive is essential in order to resist the user activities, but it should also be skin friendly. This brings me to the next requirement, which is the biocompatibility of every material that is used into a smart patch. Indeed, smart patches must answer quality and certification requirements applicable to the chosen products. So Quad Industries developed together with its clients patches from prototyping to market-ready smart patches. The production capacity can go up to 1 million patch per year for Quad Industries. We have the expertise in different material electrodes, such as hydrogel, but also dry electrodes, but also in terms of hardware connection. So depending on our clients' needs, such as snaps, zip connector, crimping, and so on. Quad Industry can cover all the production steps from printing to converting, hardware connection, integration, and testing. As mentioned earlier, we have a production capacity for roll-to-roll and sheet-to-sheet screen printing on TPU and PET materials. Finally, we have the knowledge to select the proper ink set and skin adhesive in order to fulfill the reliability and the duration of wear for our client needs. I'm gonna now going through some various applications of smart patch that Quad Industries developed. So the smart patches, they are making actually a bridge between home monitoring and hospitals. So the first application that I choose to introduce today is sleep monitoring. For example, insomnia is one of the most undiagnosed sleep disorder, and home sleep test records EEG, EOG, EMG, and also the head position that can ensure a proper recording, high quality data in a home environment. Another usage of EEG signal, which actually correspond to the brain activity, is in the frame of epilepsy. EEG can record seizures that are occurring for a patient having epilepsy. We've also developed ECG patches for long-term monitoring in order to not miss any arrhythmia of a patient. This high-quality ECG data will ensure to make the accurate diagnosis, since a very long-term data can be collected by the physician. Besides monitoring, we've also developed electrical stimulation patch for the applications such as phantom limb pain.
Pauline, just to let you know, you have 1 minute.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you. So, such as the phantom limb pain, and those patches help to bring the patient's brain perception of the body in line with the actual physical state of the body. And I will conclude with another application, which is the electrodermal activity, which relates to the stress of the patient when the patch is placed below the foot, for example. So I would like to thank you first for your attention. And if you would like to know more about Quad Industries, I will be in the exhibition room number 5.